What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in today. It's your girl Tiffany. Thanks for joining us. I need you to hit that subscribe button before we begin because today we have a new unit that's coming to you from the Beauty Nation. Today we have Maris. Maris is a dripping wet style. I have her in the color number 2. She is a curly wavy type bob, and it does say that it has free parting space. However, this is all the parting space that you get. This unit does come with 2 combs, soft lace in the front. You have a comb in the back as well as adjustable straps. That parting space does extend only about 1 inch past where the hairline begins, so you don't get very much free parting space at all. Zury, why are you telling us that we get free parting space and we do not? Also, as soon as I pulled this out of the package, you guys, one of the very first things that I noticed about this unit is that you could see the tracks. Can you see that? Right there in the top, right in the very front, right in the beginning, you can see the track. But we're gonna do our best to work with this unit. We're gonna do our best to camouflage that. I'm gonna go ahead and show you exactly what this unit looks like directly out of the package and straight onto my head. And I'm also gonna wet this down to see if it really makes a difference and if this really is a dripping wet style like they say. All right, it's time. I'm gonna go ahead and take off Nisha, get comfortable so that you can watch me work. Alright, so right onto my head, this is Maris. I don't know where to even begin, you guys. First of all, this texture is crunchy. It doesn't feel very soft or very natural at all. It feels really hard and really wiry. It feels very, very synthetic, which I am not accustomed to on Zury Sis units. I'm used to great textures and bomb slays from Zury. So far, this is not giving me that. That is all you are going to get for free parting. And there's that track right there. Can you see that track? Come on, y'all. Zury, what is you doing, baby? Alright, so she's not terrible. Out of the pack, the first time I touched this, I was like, but it's not that bad. Let's comb her out a bit. Okay, I see a little bit better where they were going with this. I'm getting a little bit of life. I'm getting a little bit of life. All right, I might have to take back my first impressions. I might have to apologize because it's actually kind of cute, you guys. Once I've combed it out, that texture is improving. I'm still not with that parting space, but if that's all we get, that's all you get. It does not look dripping wet to me at all. I don't know if it looks dripping wet to you guys, but it's more of like almost like a loose curly fro. I don't know. This is giving me more Bailey vibes than a dripping wet style at all. Here's a 360. All right, and as promised, let's add some moisture. Okay. I actually really like the way it looks and the way it feels, especially wet. That's clearly the key. You gotta add water to these. Now we know. Now we know. That's all you needed to know. Just add some water to it, babe. Look at how pretty this is now. Do you see that? So don't trust that stock card and ignore the first 15, 20, 30 seconds of what I was talking about because Maris is a slay, y'all. She's cute. It does say that this unit is high heat safe up to 400 degrees. I'm not experiencing any tingling, and I'm not getting any shedding either. So overall, this unit is made very well. It is very comfortable, and I would definitely say that it is big head friendly. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like Maris? Are you here for her? Make sure that you leave a comment. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and give this video a big thumbs up so that I can continue to bring you more slays like this by way of Beauty Nation. Shout out to them. If you're not familiar, I will leave links down below as to where you can purchase and check out some of the other amazing offerings that they have for you. I appreciate the time that you spent with Tiffany Baby TV today. As always, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, love. Thanks for watching. Bye, loves.